EPCs. They are responsible for the organization and management of the entire project. Let us introduce you to the world of modern scaffolding and show you what we can do for you. One of their biggest challenges lies in planning the labor and material required for their scaffolding projects in a cost-efficient manner. Budget overruns and subsequent purchase orders due to inaccurate planning and costing must be avoided. With the PERI scaffolding software, you get access to detailed reports on the use of materials and labor on your construction site, allowing material costs and labor hours to be calculated even before the project begins. Unexpected aspects that could throw the project off schedule and over budget during construction are immediately identified. Do you want to reduce costs? Keep track of the labor hours. They have the greatest impact on the calculation. The simple handling characteristics and, at the same time, great versatility of the PERI system reduces the workload for your employees and thus lowers your costs considerably. Budget overruns hurt the bottom line, but can be avoided by ensuring that the scaffold construction process on your construction site is carried out professionally. Scaffolding can be planned, and an exact calculation is possible. PERI shows you how. Labor, materials, and costs are not the be-all and end-all, however. The top priority for those responsible is the safety and protection of their employees. The features integrated into the PERI system increase the safety of your scaffolding, your employees, and thus your project. Our stringent quality assurance and quality control processes further reduce the risk of failures and accidents. Due to the specific design, it is almost prevented that PERI components are mixed with products of inferior quality. You can feel at home in the world of modern scaffolding with PERI products and services.